everyone, this is Aishwarya. So here we can see how we can solve an Boolean expression using Karnaugh map. So this is the simplified format. If they give any question in this format, we can solve like this as follows. So here for 4 variables we are writing 4 into 4, that is 16 boxes, big 16 boxes cell, and as we know that the format of writing Karnaugh map is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So for 0 there will be bar written upwards, and for 1 there will be no bar. In the same way we need to write like this. So this the numbers also should be written in a correct format, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, there are these many boxes. So wherever they have given numbers, in that places you need to write 1. So 7 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So like this they have given. Now we can group all the pairs, quads, octets. So first we will search for the biggest one, that is octet. Octet means there should be 8, so there is no 8 here, 8 number of ones. So we will see for quads. So we can see that this can be first quad. So this can be first quad, and this 4 we can make as second quad, and there is no other quad can be done. So this also we can make a third quad, and remaining one, this will be taken as pair. So the highest priority will be for octets, then quads, and then pairs. So first we will simplify like this: pair 1, that is A bar B A B. So this numbers A bar B A B and C D. So the thing which is not changing, we should write down that is C D is not changing. So C D you are writing like that, and here A bar is changing to A and B is not changing to anything. So A bar A is neglected and B you should write like that. Okay, and next is quad 1. So here we are considering this quad first, that is 12 13 15 and 14. So what is the thing which is not changing is AB. So AB is not changing throughout the thing. So AB, write it like as it is, and we can observe that C bar is changing to C. We should compare everything all over the thing. We should compare, that is C bar is changing to C and D bar is changing to D. So CD is neglected. So only AB is written. Next is quad 2, 13, 15, 9 and 11. Just observe here, AB, A bar B is taken. So A is not changing, write A as it is, and here C bar D, C D, D is not changing, C is changing, D is not changing. So D quad 3, 15, 14, 11 and 10, A bar A B bar, C D bar. So A is not changing here, and in these both C is not changing, so write C as it is. So the simplified expression will be B C D plus AB plus AD plus AC. So this will be the simplified format when we solve this expression.